Okay, we're getting ready to do sections 6 through 8. I'm going to go ahead and do all three sections in this one video. They don't take very long. So we're going to start this section with the equation of a straight line, and this is called the slope-intercept equation because the coefficient of x, which we're going to call m, remember, is the slope, and the constant at the end, which is b, is the point that the graph crosses the y-axis, and we call that the y-intercept. So this section, you're finding the slope and the y-intercept of the line, and they give you the equation, and all you have to do is find the slope and the y-intercept. So the coefficient of x is the slope, so the slope is 5. The constant at the end is the y-intercept, and that is -4. And then number 4 is y equals 7 minus 1/2 x. So notice that in this equation, the x term was listed first. In this one, the x term is listed last. But don't let that deceive you, because remember, the coefficient of x is always the slope. So the slope in this case is -1/2. And the constant is the y-intercept, and the constant in this case is 7. And that's all there is to section 6. In section 7, you're going to write the equation of the line, and they're going to give you the slope and the y-intercept. So if the slope is 4 and the y-intercept is -3, slope is 4 and the y-intercept is -3, and we're going to write this into y equals mx plus b. We're just going to replace these two with what they give us. So the equation of this line would be y equals m is 4, b is -3. And that's your answer. The second example, which is actually number 9 from your worksheets, the slope is 1/5, and the y-intercept is 2/3. So y equals mx plus b, and we're just going to replace m and b. Y equals 1/2 x plus 2/3, and there's your answer. These sections are going to go really quick for you. 6, 7, and 8 is all you have to do this week. And then section 8 is we're writing the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line given the graph. All right, well, we can see from this graph, I forgot to number these, so I don't know which number they are. The y-intercept is 2, so that's b. And to find the slope, remember we do the rise over the run. The rise is up and down, the run is left and right. So to go from this point to the next point, we would go up 2 and over 3. So the rise over the run is up 2 and over 3, and I know that's a positive slope. So the equation of this line, remember, y equals mx plus b, and we just replace those. So in this case, it would be y equals 2/3 x, because that's the slope, plus 2, because that's where it crosses the y-axis. And that's it for that one. Okay, in this case, the y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to go from here to here, I would go down 6. Down 6, that's negative. And to the right, 2. So down 6 and to the right 2, this equals -3. And I'm just going to plug those into my equation. And that would be y equals m, which is -3, x plus b, which is 6. And that's it for this week, sections 6 through 8. Good luck.